Hi folks, I hope you all are doing well. As you can see in the video, I have three rifles: the Red Ryder Adult, the classic Red Ryder for kids or young people, and the small but no less important Buck Model 105 rifle by Daisy. Today I'll be talking about the Buck 105 rifle. The Daisy Model 105 Buck is America's favorite starter BB gun. It's a lightweight, dependable, and easy-to-use lever action that shoots BBs up to 375 feet per second. It has the capacity to hold up to 500 BBs, and is perfect for introducing shooters to the fun of air gunning. The Model 105 Buck is built for the smallest shooters. It is the number one choice for a youth-first gun. With an overall 29.8-inch length, it fits better and allows for the development of shooting skills better than other guns. Suitable for shooters 10 and older, with adult supervision, this lever-action spring rifle is lightweight, easy to cock and durable. The engraved solid wood stock is just the right length for young shooters. BBs can fly out the steel barrel at up to 350 feet per second. Today we will find out the real speed of this rifle with my chronograph. This rifle is perfect for plinking, shooting paper targets, and for training new shooters. Of course, more experienced shooters will want to shoot this rifle to visit times past when they owned their first Daisy lever action. Shoots accurately right out of the box. Just dump the BBs in and fire away. Straight shooter, great for practice even for an adult. You won't kill anything with it, but if you just need a plinker for short distance practice, if you can hit, it can. The Daisy Buck is great for helping smaller kids to learn the fun of shooting, while also learning good gun safety skills. Construction is primarily stamped steel with a synthetic wood stock. The cocking lever is polycarbonate, but produces a solid feel when operating, and is manageable for a kid. Through denim on skin, it produces a strong stinging sensation and a small welt, but doesn't break the skin. Could possibly shoot your eye out though. Let's go outside and let's get some fun. I'm shooting about 10 yards away. And don't forget your safety glasses. Shooting soda cans is a cheap and fun way to pass the time. Sweet. This speed is consistent but not as Daisy claims. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please consider giving your life to Jesus Christ. He doesn't look for perfect people. He loves you and loves you so much that he gave his life for you. Confess your sins to him, and he will forgive you because that's what he promised. Talk to him with your heart when you're alone, and he will respond. I guarantee you that.